This sculptural piece is titled Portal Growth. The artist is Sophie. This sculpture is a vividly painted ring or torus form mounted on a purple foam base surrounded by tufts of green moss. The piece is painted in a gradient, with one side transitioning from red at the core to yellow on the exterior, and the other side is cooler tones, red at the center moving to blue, then green on the outer surface. Protruding from the entire form are thin dowels painted in red, orange, and yellow, reminiscent of spikes or quills. The texture of the paint application is slightly rough, adding to the organic, handmade feel. The composition is symmetrical in shape, but asymmetrical in color and texture. The artist uses a complementary color scheme, warm on one side and cool on the other, which creates visual tension and interest. The protruding sticks are placed irregularly, disrupting the smoothness of the form and adding movement. The use of moss both on the base and emerging from the top of the piece adds a natural, almost parasitic element that contrasts with the artificial colors. This contrast between natural and synthetic materials is a strong formal and thematic device. This piece feels like a hybrid between something biological and something alien. The torus shape could represent a portal, eye, or even a seed pod. The inner red gradient on both sides suggests life force or inner energy. The spikes in moss may symbolize growth, protection, or infection, blurring the line between life and decay. There's a sense of duality in the warm versus cool palette, and it could suggest opposing forces, inner and outer worlds, or vitality and deterioration. It invites the viewer to question whether this form is thriving or under threat. The piece is visually engaging and thoughtfully crafted. The bold color choices and use of mixed material give it a strong presence. One of the strengths is how it activates the space around it, not only through its form, but through the textures and protrusions. If anything could be improved, it might be the integration of the moss. While it's compelling, making it slightly more embedded or intentional in some areas could enhance the feeling of natural overgrowth. Overall, this is a successful work that balances form, color, and texture to communicate complex ideas.